He's scared to tell you. They're not talking about the fight. They're talking about Foot Locker.
My favorite part is when you're like, come on, baby. It's my favorite part. Good job, good job, good job.
Yeah, they're talking about Foot Locker, but
Yeah.
they're so excited about the fight, they don't want to tell you. They're scared to tell you.
Like the week of greatness is happening, you're like, it's happening? It's happening? Oh shit.
That's a nice commercial.
Yes, yes. Yeah, yeah.
Everybody loves
It's good. It's good. Yes, yes. Come on, baby.
it. Come on, baby. That was the best part. Come on, baby.
Fred, what happened to the 1 o'clock live?